Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your prescription and immediate fit, because correct numbers and alignment determine what your eyes will actually see. Once done, check pupillary distance in millimeters and inspect how lenses sit relative to your pupils. Small shifts change focus. Make sure frames rest evenly on the nose and temples without tilting, and clean lenses thoroughly to eliminate smudges that mimic vision problems. These steps set accuracy and comfort before you move to optical adjustments and training. Now you adjust and calibrate. Loosen screws slightly, then bend temple tips and nose pads to center the optical axis over each pupil because miscentration causes blur and eye strain. Once done, perform a simple cover-on-cover test to detect misalignment. If present, introduce very small prism adjustments or visit an optician. Make sure both eyes focus together at 20 feet for distance and recheck at intermediate distances. These refinements improve clarity and reduce double vision or headaches when wearing glasses. Finish by optimizing how you use your glasses and what to do if problems persist. You should gradually increase wearing time, starting with 1 to 2 hours and adding about 1 hour each day because your visual system adapts. Make sure to practice focal transitions. Look near then far to normalize accommodation. If you experience persistent double vision, severe headache, or no clarity after a week, stop and consult your optician or eye care professional to reevaluate fit and prescription. This step prevents long-term discomfort.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.